Hi guys! Welcome back to another video. Today we will be talking about area and all of the different formulas to find the area of different shapes. To start, what exactly is area? Area is an amount of space. To measure the area, we use units that occupy area, such as square feet or square inches. Let us start with the rectangle. So for a rectangle, there are two sides, the length of the rectangle and the width of the rectangle. To find the area, we multiply the length and the width. And that is our formula to find the area of a rectangle. So let's look at this example. As you can see, the length is 5 inches and the width is 4 inches. So to find the area, we would multiply 5 times 4 and we would get 20. Because we are finding the area, this would be 20 inches squared. Now, let's move on to a triangle. So to find the area of a triangle, we're going to use a different approach. We're going to make this triangle into a rectangle. So we're going to draw dotted lines here, like this. Now, as you can see, the dimensions of this rectangle are actually the height and the base of the triangle, which means to find the area, we would multiply the height times the base. However, because the triangle is half of the rectangle, we're going to multiply this formula by 1/2. So this is the formula for a triangle. So let's look at this example now. The height of the triangle is 4 inches and the base is 3 inches. So if we plug this into our formula, we would get 4 times 3 times 1/2. And if we calculate this, we would get 6 inches squared. Now, finally, let's look at a parallelogram. Now, to clarify, a parallelogram is a quadrilateral, which is a shape with 4 sides, in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel, which means these two and these two are parallel, and these two and these two are parallel. So, the base is one of the sides of the parallelogram, and the height is always going to be perpendicular to the base. It is not going to ever be one of the sides of the parallelogram. So to find the formula for the area, we're going to use a completely different method. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide this parallelogram into different shapes. We're going to erase a little part here. You can see. And we're going to take this side and move it onto this side. And as you can see, we've created a rectangle. So if we refer back to this image above, we can see that this is the height and this is the base. The height and one of the sides of the rectangle are exactly the same. So these two are the same length, which means that the dimensions of this parallelogram are actually the base and the height, which means to find the area, you would multiply the base and the height. And that is our formula for the area of a parallelogram. So if we look at this example, the height is 3 inches and the base is 4 inches. We would multiply 3 times 4, which equals 12, and it would be inches squared, and this is the area of a parallelogram. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below, and we will do our best to answer them. If you have any suggestions for video topics, please email us. The email is linked in the description box below. Share this video with anyone who you think will benefit from it. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Stay tuned for the next video.